Alright, we're doing another Honda ignition repair. So this is going to be a 2008 Honda Ridgeline. Basically, this is what the customer sent. This came a few hours away from Georgia, so they opted just to mail it in and have us fix it, and we'll mail it back. Excuse the mess on the desk. I have a lot of projects going on all the time, and you know I'm rotating different things off this bench. But you see, they try to lube it up. That's the first thing people do. They try to lube it up. But look, it definitely ain't turning at all. It don't even really want to go in. It gets stuck. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it all apart, rebuild what needs to be rebuild what needs to be rebuilt, put in new parts. That's about it. I'll work on this for a little bit, and I'll come back in a little bit with everything fixed. Thank you. Alright, we're back at this Honda Ignition. Just finished rebuilding it. Everything's fixed. Here's some of the old parts. You could probably sell some of them are jacked up, bent up. That's what caused the thing not to turn. Here's the old key. There's other pieces. Here you go. I had to take the chip out, put it in here, transferred everything over, so when the customer get this back, car will start. Here you go. Nice and smooth. Right now, it's super smooth because it doesn't have the switch on it, but once the customer get this back, hook the switch up, you'll feel position 1, position 2, position 3. You'll feel it clicking. That's about it. Ain't really much to say. I've been rebuilding locks, I don't know, since the early 90s. But I can tell you one thing, I do not rush rebuilding locks. There are some jobs that I can rush. I can make a key real quick and know that it's good. But when it comes to rebuilding locks, I don't rush through them because slow is good. When it comes to rebuilding locks, slow is good because you get to catch other problems. I caught a couple other problems in this lock other than these wafers, and I was able to repair that. So now the end result is smooth. Some of these new locksmiths now that just entered the trade or banging through it and whatever, they're going to miss some things. And those of you that had your locks fixed before and wondering why it failed or it didn't last as long, that's why you had somebody rush through it that didn't fully understand what they was doing with your lock. So, and I'm old school. I've been doing this since the early 90s. But if you need my help, give me a call. I'll be glad to help you. I'll tell you how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take, and that's it. Or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Appreciate y'all for watching.